Divide 3x to the fourth plus 6 minus x squared plus 3x. We're going to divide this by x plus 2. Okay, let's write this in this form. We're going to have x plus 2 over here. And the first term we're going to deal with is the fourth, 3x to the fourth power. And then we have the x squared term. Okay, the x squared term. And then we have our 3x term next. And lastly, we'll have the 6. We'll put these in order. Okay, now we're missing a term in between these two, aren't we? I have something to the fourth and something to the second, but I don't have anything to the third power. There's nothing cubed here. Okay, so let's write this up here. And you see how we're missing the cube term? We can't have it like that. We've got to put a cube term, and I don't have any. So how many do I have? How many cubes do I have right here? Okay, so put some space in between these and give me a cube term, but how many do I have? I don't have any. How many is that? 0. So this is the missing term right here. We're missing an x cubed term, but I don't have any, so I have 0 of them. Okay? Now, 3x to the fourth divided by x. 3x to the fourth divided by x will be 3x cubed. Now I'm going to take 3x cubed times x and 3x cubed times 2. You see why we needed that 0x cubed? Now I have a place to put the 6x cubed. Okay? Now change these signs. This is going to be a minus 3 and a minus 6, and minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. Okay? You see, when you subtract, you change the sign of this, don't you? Okay, so that's a negative. Bring down that one. Then take negative 6x cubed divided by x. Cancel one of these 3 out, leaving you how many? 2 of them. Okay, now negative 6x cubed times x, of course, is this. Negative 6x squared times 2, negative 12x squared. Now when you subtract, you change the signs of these two. So this becomes a plus 12 minus 1 is 11. When you add like terms or subtract like terms, you get a like term. Bring down this one. Okay? Now divide 11x squared by x. Divide 11x squared by x. That'll go 11x times 11x times x. 11x times 2. Okay? Change the signs of these. This will be a minus 11 and a minus 22. Subtracting, we're changing the sign. This will be a negative 22 plus 3. Okay, bring down this one. And this is my last division part here. We have negative 19x divided by x. Negative 19 times x is negative 19x. Negative 19 times 2 is a minus 38. Change the signs of these, and this will become a plus 38. 38 plus 6 is, okay, so put the 44 over the x plus 2, and you've finished. Final answer, 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 19 with a remainder of 44, which we write as a fraction, 44 over this divisor x plus 2.